take off wheel, go on, jack it up, put on jack stands. It's not going nowhere. It's off the ground. And normally these would be, I think, like 22, but these ones are, I believe, 19. So you just whichever your need, and take them off one at a time. And then safely take your wheel off. Get like a back of a screwdriver and you just kind of like, that's it. That's how to remove center caps. And putting a new one in is very simple. So you get your new center cap. Don't drop it the way I just did mine, but literally just put it right on there, and then you just pop it in. Just like that. And that's how to replace your center caps on your wheels.